Global warming is there. And decarbonization is the key for a sustainable future. That means we need renewable energies, and this is very challenging for Singapore. Not necessarily everybody needs to go the hard way, so we try to share experience from other countries to bring it to the Singaporean market.
Singapore itself, we don't have the natural attribute, and we are looking at the problems like volatility, security, and reliability of the network.
The biggest challenge is the political environment, our leaders aligning and trying to come up with common themes and some sort of consensus.
We have to shut down the carbon-fired power plants all over the world. And for the second one I see is the introduction of hydrogen for the energy sector.
Biggest challenge here is generating awareness, because with SF6 we are working with the most harmful gas man-made. And so people need to know about it, because you can't see gas, you can't smell it. A lot of people have no feeling about the impact.
We have already alternative where we can say, yes, we are going much lower in GWP and have a sustainable solution.
We have an aging infrastructure in the energy system, and we need new models for the shifting of the extend the lifetime of these transformers and switchgears.
There are requirements of introducing new technologies into the grid, new equipments, more intelligent, more interactive with the new sustainable power sources.
We need to look at maybe bringing in power from outside the country. We have the technology now to be able to do that with HVDC networks, so there's less losses than bringing into where it's needed.
We are developing for this carbonization new solutions. So, for example, a monitoring of a cable, that we can use cable for transport the energy from outside of Singapore to Singapore, that the cables work on a good property. For that you need test systems, and for that you need also monitoring systems.
As a long-term partner of Aspectus, we provide diagnostic chemical services.
So with Aspectus, I think we have a very reliable partner which help us a lot because they have the key skills.
And so we have just partnered up with Aspectus for many good reasons. And we think that Aspectus has the right motivation, has the right team.
With Aspectus we have a very close relation. So Aspectus engineers are very often trained in Germany to know exactly how to treat and how to manage gas.
Aspectus is a very long partner from HighVolt, so we ask them what the customers need, and then we try to develop in Germany solutions.
Digitalization we're very big on at the moment. Aspectus are partner with us with promoting this. This has direct effects to decarbonisation because we're actually making equipment more efficient.
I find that the topics in the events have been very enriching for me. There are two takeaways that I can bring back. The future of using synthetic ester oil, as well as the change of eliminating SF6.
What I can take away from this seminar to my workplace is the condition monitoring of transformer and the OLTC.
They've gotten like all the suppliers. We get to interact with the OEMs directly over here.
They have involved topics like HVDC, which is, I think, is an upcoming technology here in Singapore.
The next step moving forward is ester fluid, so I think that is a game changer.
Singapore is very unique, and Singapore may have our own problems and having our own solutions in the future. But I think it's good that we could be the forefront in the next coming years, and we could also share this with our neighbouring countries.